Well, what's up? It's 27 degrees today at this moment, about 8:30. It was 23.1 degrees overnight, and it was 31.7 degrees yesterday, top temperature. No rain here at all. Oh, it's Wednesday the 24th of June. There's a slight breeze, which is helpful because it's so warm. It's 27 degrees, as I said, and it's probably going to be about 32 or 33 degrees today. In the distance there is Old King Barrow, and just beyond that is Stonehenge. And over there is Dorrington Walls, and tucked in the corner, sort of over there, is Woodhenge.